Hi, I am Sado and I'm the CEO in this project. I feel great about this project because it is the first app that I have developed and worked on.
My name is Shanjiith and I am the CTO of this group. I felt that this project gave me a new experience working with new people. And this being the COVID-19 period, this experience was very unique.
My name is Le Yang and my role in this group is the CDO. I feel that this project is a great experience to expand my knowledge on app development as a team, and this project overall changed my view on app development.
Hello, I'm Wong, the CMO of Fridge. I'm very excited for this project as this is the first time I'm involved in making an app and I also get to advertise it. Fridge is an app that helps you track food in your fridge. It aims to help you reduce food wastage by saving expiry dates of food that you have bought, so you can decide what to use first before it expires. It also includes a grocery list function, so users can better manage what food they need to buy after referring to what food they already have. On top of that, it recommends recipes based on available ingredients.
Fridge was chosen as it was useful as almost everyone had a fridge and it helps in food inventory management. We also wanted to do something that could help the environment, and Fridge helps to alert users of expiry dates of ingredients and to remind them to use the ingredients before it expires.
We designed Fridge to have a simple colored markers beside each item to indicate when the expiry date will be reached. That is to inform users at a glance when the food is going to expire. An edit function to edit food after some of it has been used and the quantity has been changed. Also added a delete function for users to delete food that has been used or thrown away.
Me, being the CTO of this app, I was in charge of coding most of the project. The difficulties that we faced were calling the API regularly and auto layout, which was a pain. Even though COVID restricted us from meeting regularly, we used GitHub to share the code among the group. We required a lot of help during the development of the app, but the kind and helpful alumni and the trainers were there to help us with our problems.
Thank you!